Have you ever felt stuck when you try to learn English? I know the feeling. Today, I promise you will leave with 3 simple habits that turn practice into progress. Emily, meet our listeners.
Hi everyone, I'm Emily, excited to share how we can learn English easily. Let's dive in.
I once had a student, Maria, who could only say a few words. She came to our online class and asked, "How do I speak?" I told her to listen to English songs every day. She listened for 10 minutes each morning, wrote down new words, and practiced speaking the chorus. After 2 weeks, she could order coffee and ask for directions. That was a real win.
Wow, that's amazing. So listening is powerful.
Exactly. Now, here's a myth that many people believe. You need to be in an English-speaking country to learn well. That's not true. You can learn from your phone, podcasts, or even your favorite shows. All you need is practice and patience.
Right, and technology makes it easier than ever.
So here are 3 daily habits. First, set a timer for 5 minutes and read a short article or a news headline in English. Second, record yourself saying a sentence and listen for pronunciation. Third, write 1 new word each day in a notebook and use it in a sentence.
Those are simple but powerful, and they fit into any schedule.
Before we finish, remember that consistency beats intensity. Keep practicing a little every day, and you'll see improvement.
And if you enjoyed this podcast, subscribe to our YouTube channel, ProLingua Academy, for more.
Thanks for listening. I'm Host. Thanks for being here.